The biggest, the greatest pump of our entire lives is imminent, guys. You guys ready? I don't think you are. Justin, Kamala Harris promises to help grow AI and digital assets if elected president. Here we go. Donald Trump is bullish for cryptocurrencies. Okay, now we got the other side becoming bullish as well for cryptos. I told you guys, it doesn't matter who wins. It's programmed to go up and to the right forever, non-stop. Pump and never stop. Why? This is the craziest news that just came out. Please like today's video. I really much appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Because money market funds saw a weekly outflow of $20 billion. The largest weekly outflow since June, guys. Guys, wait, look at that. Right? Everyone got scared of rate cuts. So what is money market funds? Let me show you. A money market fund is a kind of mutual fund that invests in highly liquid and near-term instruments like cash equivalent securities like United States Treasuries. So now it was flowing what? It was flowing out, guys, okay, from the money market funds and into what? Stocks? Cryptos? Don't we see? Right? Look how much money that's waiting to be flooded in, right? They did cut rates, guys, and they got scared. And guess what? They're about to cut rates even harder. During November's meeting, guys, right? So here's the money market funds total financial assets level, and it's basically at 6.5 trillion, right? Ridiculous. All this money, this will probably be maybe less than $1 trillion before the collapse, right? Less than $1 trillion before the collapse, guys. All this money will be flowing into stocks, cryptocurrencies, and everything, guys, right? So stocks and cryptos, and that's how we will see the greatest pump of our entire lives, and it's already beginning. Why? The next Bitcoin breakout is imminent now, with the total money supply breaking out, guys, as well. So global M2 global liquidity index, right? So money's they're printing money like never before, guys, okay? And this is globally, and look where it reached it. I think probably a new all-time high. Hopefully, I guess, I don't know. But Bitcoin, it's the same thing, guys, right? Since liquidity is flowing in, Bitcoins, it will have to go up, literally up, guys, nowhere but up. Then we got Sunday update. Bitcoin is testing its first higher high over 200 days at 64.3K, and Nasdaq futures are going up. Global liquidity is going up as well, guys. It all is, right? It's the funniest thing ever, guys, and people are panicking. Why? People are very emotional. If you are, maybe you shouldn't invest, guys, right? But I guess that's the only way to learn in the end. So it's your turn. Just throwing this out there. If you guys think that 6 trillion is a lot, no, guys. Okay, I told you guys. $266 trillion in climate spending is a no-brainer. What? $266 trillion, guys. As soon as all this money gets printed, yeah, I think the world dies. And you know what pumps though? Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum. If this actually happens one day, guys, so that's ridiculous. Bitcoin above $10 million, right? What's going on? Markets now see a 80% chance of a soft landing, guys. Now this is so beautiful for us and bullish, because you know why? We need people to believe the markets will be fine at the end, which I don't think it will, guys. Look, I think this is what's upcoming, right? This portion soon. First this, then recession. Though the soft landing group doesn't believe the recession isn't coming, right? So they don't believe this part. What they believe is just up and to the right only, guys, right? But I don't know. I guess we'll see. Though most of the people before recessions and collapses are what? They are very bullish. Don't we see? Right? Since 1980, the Fed has only seen one soft landing, and it was described as one of the Fed's proudest accomplishments. Only 17% of rate cut cycles have ended in a soft landing. Can the Fed really pull it off now? Nuh-uh. Definitely not, guys. It's too late. But though, that's good, because people are getting tricked into thinking we're going to go up forever. There will be a recession, guys, in my opinion, but not yet. And check this out. How are people still bearish? Viewership to various crypto YouTube channels will still remain relatively low, especially compared to 2021. it is interesting how the price of Bitcoin is basically the same as it was in 2021, but social interest in 2024 is a lot lower. So here's the game plan. This was the Bitcoin's top, okay? And basically we're at, okay, so here it is, guys. Look at this. Right there. Where is Bitcoin right now? Exactly. Literally when like all these YouTubers were getting so many viewers, guys. Look at that, right? Now compare that to the same price it was previously in the previous bull cycle. Do you guys see the difference? Right? Do you guys see the difference right here? Exactly. Look how much weight. I mean, how are we at the end of the cycle? We can't be. The metrics show we're not. Though, which means one thing, we're going to just keep pumping, right? Bitcoin is trading around all-time highs with the same level of fear as in the previous bear market. Whoa, what? Guys, the previous bear market, you guys remember when FTX collapsed, exploded right here, imploded, right? It's literally the same amount of fear that people have right now. And we're still at near all-time highs, and things are looking very well. So I don't know how people are bearish. What? It seems like the institutions are not. Spot Bitcoin ETFs bought 6,573 Bitcoin this past week, while miners only produced 3,150 Bitcoin, guys, right? So it seems like the institutions are buying heavily, right? The money printers they keep printing, guys. 50 million, another 50 million USDC. Saylor says this is why they're so bullish.
Because once you get Bitcoin and it clicks in your mind, your immediate reaction is, oh, I got to hurry and buy as much as I can because someone else is going to go take all my Bitcoin away from me. So like in 2020, when I started buying Bitcoin, I was thinking, oh no, I got to do this in a hurry because someone's going to figure it out and the price is going to 10x. And I better get it before it 10x's. So, I mean, that's a natural reaction when it finally clicks in your head. Because you're thinking, why wouldn't every billionaire in the world go and buy $1 billion of Bitcoin, smash buy it overnight, and just to make $1 billion? Because why wouldn't they just want to make $1 billion or 5 billion or 10 billion or any amount of money? I mean, Bitcoin, it feels like in the early days the infinite money glitch, right? Because once you get
infinite money glitch, that's coming soon to a XRP near you. What I'm saying is Bitcoin is really going to about 315k. Don't we see, guys? Van Eck literally says this, right? Literally. The puppets within the system are telling you that Bitcoin is heading over 300k. My target for the end of this bull cycle is 300k, guys. I hope we see 500 to $1 million. I really hope.
What I said is Bitcoin is growing up and will be eventually half the total market cap of gold. So that's about 350,000. So quite a ways to go from here.
Exactly, and people are like trying to escape, right, and sell. You could do whatever you wish to. This isn't financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, but me personally, I've been through literally 2017 cycle, 2021, but it seems like this cycle just seems more emotional, right? Just seems more emotional, guys. That's what it feels like to me. Or maybe I don't remember the 2019 emotional cycle, guys, right? What I do remember was very emotional was that part, the 2020 event. But after, they printed and pumped it crazy hard, guys, right? But the reason why people are so emotional right now, consolidation right here for many months, 6 months I think, and right here it only happened once, guys, right? We're seeing it twice now. Previous cycle was once, we're seeing it twice. So people are more emotional. Check this out. The wicks of the monthly chart tells us an interesting story. These are selling pressure, guys, right? All of these wicks you see at the top of the candles on the monthly chart, selling pressure. But guess what? The opposite is true. Buying pressure. If we see wicks, huge wicks, guys. You guys see that wick right there, right? Huge wicks at the bottom. Look at that, right? And what is happening right now? Exactly. And each time it pumped, right? Each time it pumped, and each time the top wicks sold. It started selling, guys. We're still bullish, it says. Now, October will start in 10 days. Are you ready? No one else is, guys. I'm truly ready. I need them to pump it. Oh my gosh. Because October 2023 versus 2024. Similarities are absolutely ridiculous. Consolidation will happen during October. This right here, what's going to happen during October? That right there. Usually history repeats if not rhymes. Bull run Octobers. Each cycle what happened in October? Basically, we see during October's, guys, it seems like October is an extremely bullish month. If that's the case, that's upcoming next, right? These charts are saying the same exact thing, guys, because here's another perspective. These different cycles, guys, right, throughout the years, we seen the halving occur. 1, 2, 3, 4. After the halving, what happened to Bitcoin's price? Just moonshot, right? Had a moonshot, guys, moment. And the same thing's happening right now, right? Next up is that right there, guys. I can't wait. My heart is like, my heart's mouth is watering, guys, right? Because of how close we are. According to history, if Bitcoin closes in the green in September, Q4 will be up only, right? So if we close supposedly green during September, guys, which I think we will. I think we're about to see another pump to like 69k Bitcoin. And by the way, guys, look at the volatility that's happening with Bitcoin right now. Why do I think we will see 69k or around that price, guys? Is because there are, now you guys remember this, right? We called the top right here, guys. Though there wasn't a hourly divergence, I was gonna long XRP at that point. I just wasn't risking it, guys. Though I did say that's going to be the top for this chart, the bottom for cryptos. I wish there was a divergence, an hourly divergence, guys. So there wasn't. So here's the game plan. Right now, Bitcoin sees some type of bullish divergence right here. Okay. Price is higher, indicator is lower. Bullish divergence. Though they're about to take that, which means the stablecoin chart dumps, and the next support is this range, right? That's a dump of like 10%. Why is that strange? I'll tell you guys why. It takes us to like 69k, guys. Next resistance, major one at that, right? So that's why I believe we're going to there, guys, right? So they kill some bullish divergences on the stablecoin chart, okay, and bearish divergences on the Bitcoin chart. Now, so since it's probably about to be green, guys, that means October, November, December, green each other cycle, guys, which means October, November, December will be what? Again, green, green, green. It's that easy. This isn't financial advice. Let's see what happens next. Not financial advice. Let's go. But anyways, that's what Facebook is. See you.